Hi everyone, welcome to NanoElearn and back to Python tutorial series. In our previous session, we have learnt about swapping two variables in Python with and without using temporary variable. In today's video, I will talk about how to clear Python interpreter shell screen using a simple command. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. If you'd like to know clear information about how to use this simple command to clear the Python shell screen, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. Command to clear Python interpreter shell screen in Windows based system. We all know there is no direct way to clear Python interpreter shell screen. There is a way to clear using a simple command. For this process, we need to import OS library to perform it, which comes with Python and it doesn't need any explicit installation. The command will look like this, that is import OS. This will import the OS library. After importing the OS library, one need to make system call using os.system of cls command. The cls command is used to clear Python interpreter console. But for every time to clear the Python console, we need to make this system call every time. To avoid this, we can define our own function to clear the Python interpreter shell screen using it in the Windows based system. This is how we can define def followed by any user defined function, say clr os dot system of cls command. Now use the clr function, for instance, here to clear the Python screen every time once it was defined. That is, we need to use this clr function which we have defined in the above statement to clear the Python interpreter shell screen every time we need to clear. To avoid this, we can define our own function as I just explained. It's a simple trick that will help you to clear Python interpreter shell screen. Let us see how this works in a practical demo. These are some useful URL links. Let me show you in a practical demo. For this, you need to open the Python interpreter screen. Here I am typing few commands. A is equal to 15. Say I am taking B is equal to 30. I am performing A plus B. You got the output. Now I'm printing the value of A. So here is the code. Now if we would like to clear this, as I just explained, I need to import the OS library first. Then I'm writing the command os dot system of cls command. I'm calling this system call every time. So if I call, you see that the code was cleared. Say I am typing some code again. Say A is equal to 15, B is equal to 30, A plus B. We got the result. Now if I would like to clear this again, I need to call the same function again. So to avoid this, as I just explained, we need to define our own function. Say I am defining a function called clear using the os.system cls command. Now if we want to clear using this defined function, let's type clr off. Clr function, we can call it every time. For example, I am writing the code. I am writing some code again. B is equal to 50. I am printing the A plus B value. If you would like to clear the screen now using your defined function clr, this is how it will work. So that's all for today's session. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.